Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Onward Technologies company. They are basically hiring for the fresher candidates. You can check here, role is embedded trainee engineer, job type is full-time position. This is not a contract position. CTC you will get 2.5 LPA, appraisal after completion of 1 year. Okay, first of all they will give you 2.5 LPA as a CTC, and after 1 year of completion appraisal will be there. First 6 months will be probation period. Eligibility criteria, during the probation period they will check your performance. So during 6 months, so I recommend you during 6 months please perform well. Eligibility criteria 2020 2021 batch, BE BTech Electronics, then ME Tech Electronics and Communication with minimum 60% and above in 10th, 12th or diploma, as well as in graduation. Job location is Bangalore or Coimbatore. Service bond, there will be bond for the 3 years. What the skills required? Embedded C program development with debugger environment, MISRA 2004 and 2012 coding guidelines, then CAN tools, Canoi, then CAPL programming, unit testing, TESI, TPT. It's not necessary that you should have all these tools and application knowledge. If you are having basic knowledge, that is also fine. Experience in defining and executing of test cases with unique techniques, then exposure to test automation scripting tools like Python, Perl, ECU test and LabCar. The below skills will be an added advantage. If you are having suppose these skills, these are the additional skills, then that will be an advantage. OS scheduler, preemptive, round robin and cooperative scheduling, model based development and auto coding, MIL, that is model in loop, and SIL, software in loop. Okay, then roles and responsibilities, requirement analysis study, then documentation in line with change request, software implementation related to CAN, UDS, then other functions, coding and code review, then unit test specification preparation, review and unit testing, then integration of software changes to identified configuration management archive, integration test specification preparation, review and integration testing, and testing on target ECU. Selection process will be, there will be online test, technical and HR discussion will be there. Important points: online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidate on the mail ID, so please give your mail ID correct. After test, shortlisted candidates must be available for further online interview process, and candidates should be available for immediate joining. So to apply for this drive, enter your mail ID, then copy that OTP and paste here and verify your mail ID. Enter your full name, your contact number, then give your college or institute name, give your current location, your graduation degree, your branch. As I earlier mentioned that electronics and communication branch candidates are allowed. Graduation year of passing 2020 or 2021. Post graduation degree, if you have completed your post graduation then you can select, otherwise select NA, that is not applicable. Mention graduation percentage, then 12%, 10%. Mention briefly internship or work experience if you have any, otherwise write here as no. Are you available for to join immediately? Select your answer. Are you ready to relocate to Bangalore or Coimbatore? Select your answer here. Then tick mark this checkbox you can see here and submit this form. This is simple application process. So those candidates who belong from electronics branch, electronics and telecommunication branch with pass out batch 2020 and 2021, so please apply for this off campus drive. Please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.